Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The Nubia Z70 Ultra has just launched today. It comes with a fast refresh rate AMOLED display, a powerful new flagship processor, a human eye camera, a massive battery, and more. Friends, in this video, I'll share the unboxing and first impressions of the Nubia Z70 Ultra. Let's get started. Hey guys, Maiky here from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon for more awesome tech videos. This is the Nubia Z70 Ultra box. It comes in a black and silver color pattern. This is the base variant with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. Now let's remove the plastic wrap and open the lid. Inside, we get an 80-watt power adapter with a Type-C output that supports PD 3.0 charging. Along with that, there's a red Type-C to Type-C data cable and a protective case. Next, let's talk about the design and build of the Nubia Z70 Ultra. Taking the first look at the phone, the large camera module immediately shows that this is a camera-focused phone. The design is quite similar to the previous generation. The camera module is big, and the main camera has a red border. This time, you'll also see Neo Vision branding in the top right corner. The phone has a boxy design and comes in black, with gold and starry blue color options available as well. A new soft light feature has also been added this time. The back of the phone is made of glass, but the company hasn't mentioned which type of glass is used. The back has a matte finish, so you won't see fingerprint smudges. The bottom part of the camera module uses glossy glass. The frame is made of aluminum and has a finely polished finish. Compared to the previous generation, the frame has more curves, making the phone more comfortable to hold with one hand. This time, the camera placement is also different. Overall, the phone's design gives a premium flagship feel. So friends, how do you like the design of the Nubia Z70 Ultra? Let me know in the comments. By the way, Nubia recently launched its gaming series, the Red Magic 10. I've already uploaded the unboxing and detailed review of the Red Magic 10 Pro Plus. If you haven't seen it yet, you can find the link in the description below or in the card above. Don't miss it. Now, let's talk about the Nubia Z70 Ultra's display. The phone comes with a full-screen display. The selfie camera is placed under the display using 7th generation under-display camera technology. This makes the front camera even more hidden than before. It's hard to notice, even if you look closely. The display quality has also improved. It uses BOE's Q9 material and features a 144Hz refresh rate. It's an AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution. However, adaptive refresh rate isn't available. Additionally, it has 2590Hz PWM dimming, providing excellent eye protection. According to the company, the display offers a peak brightness of up to 2000 nits. For protection, it uses 2nd generation Dragon Glass, which is more resistant to scratches and drops. Talking about performance, the phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. This means you can expect next-level gaming performance. I'll cover the phone's performance tests and extreme gaming tests in detail in the review video, so stay tuned to our channel. The Nubia Z70 Ultra comes with a massive 6150 mAh battery. After 2 hours of medium to heavy use, about 86% of the battery remains. Now, let's talk about the camera. The phone features a triple rear camera setup, similar to the previous generation. It includes a primary Sony IMX906 human eye camera with a 1.56-inch sensor size, a 64-megapixel periscope telephoto camera, a 50mm ultra-wide camera. A great feature is that all 3 rear cameras come with optical image stabilization, OIS. For selfies, you get a 16-megapixel under-display camera. This time, a shutter button on the frame. A single press clicks a photo while sitting and holding captures continuous shots. The main camera also supports a variable aperture ranging from f1.9 to f4.0. Here, you can check out some sample photos.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
The Nubia Z70 runs on the newly upgraded Nebula AI OS, which is based on Android 15. The user experience is smooth, with improvements in overall system layout. Since the OS focuses on AI, it is to the Nebula Smart Voice Assistant. You can use the AI voice, also includes an AI call translator. There are many other AI features as well, which I'll cover in more in the review video. Talking about the price of the Nubia Z70 Ultra, the base variant starts at 1,499 yuan in China, £503 in the UK, and $635 in the USA. So friends, how do you like the design of the Nubia Z70 Ultra? Let me know. So, what do you think about the Z70 Ultra? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching, have a great day, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.